up, guys? Fresh one here at Dana Landing. See, a lot of overcast. We're gonna go outside and try to go look for some Calicos, see what's up. So stay tuned. Fresh one.
You cocksucker. 3. Well, 4, but the other one I don't know. This might be a couple. That might be a double. Oh, it is. Nice double. Nice try. Oh, sand bass, too. Hell yeah. Oh, yeah. Here.
On the dunk. On the dunk.
That's on the side. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I got killed. Good. Yeah. Good. Oh, it's going up. Hopefully a big halibut.
There you go.
Finally. Oh God, what happened? No. Here's the big halibut.
It's moving.
Might want to get the there we go. There we go. Oh look, it's dark. Get the gap with the case.
Yeah,
Get the gap.
Get the gap, guys.
Hey, at least I didn't lose your lures.
Get the gap, guys. Get the gap.
At least I didn't lose your lures, alright? Oh yeah, there we go. Fish number 4. Look at that guy. Oh man. Mackerel or something. Oh no. Barracuda!
Oh yeah.
28 inches? They're big, yeah.
Ahora Marco, pues bajaron 5 toneladas y al 924 le queda la segunda ronda 7. No sé si quieres que después de la noche nos...
Yeah! Look at that one. My hookup bait's getting a little like she's being used and abused.
Big moose.
at that. Is it still good?
There we go, there's a biter. There's a biter. We gotta get the I got another what's it called right there.
What?
Another hey, Calico on the. Alright, I'm gonna put that's a better one.
I'm gonna put this away.
There's another little.
You got your other one with the Chinga on there, right?
Huh?
Where's your one with the?
Oh my God! What are you doing, you big moose? You gonna tip my boat over.
I don't think it'll tip over, dude. I haven't tipped the boat over yet, so.
Oh, you're gonna be good. Oh, there's a biter. There's another one.
Oh, there's one. Oh.
Fresh one.
I had one.
Yeah, I caught up to you. Oh, he just spit up a big old chovy.
Are you getting them on the metal still?
Yeah.
Nice.
Big old, that's a CAIVO X metal.
Oh, right there, dude.
Yeah. Oh, they're right here too. There we go. That's one. There you go. Oh, there you go. That's another fresh one. Oh, you got the Cuda.
Oh, I got a
with the
Cuda.
follower. Oh my God, look at all the followers, dude. They're fucking all over. Yeah. Sweet. Oh man, that's
Ah, fuck, the guy got me in the nail. Damn it.
under the nail?
Yeah, his tooth did. I was trying not to grab him because he's a slimy bastard, but.
That one.
Oh, you have a towel. Oh, crap. Oh. Dude, his tooth went right under my freaking nail, dude.
Ah, that sucks.
I was trying to flick him off.
Oh, there's a biter, there's a biter.
Oh, right there, right there.
There's a biter.
There we go.
There's a biter.
No, I had him.
Are you throwing the middle?
You lost him.
Are you throwing middle or no?
No, there's the plastic.
Oh, I got the Cuda. I got a Cuda. Oh, it's middle. Oh, it's a good Cuda.
You gonna keep him?
There we go. Oh,
Well, I might have got bit off by a. Yep, I did. Cuda. Another one.
fresh
Just
one.
want to make video proof.
Fresh one.
I'm gonna go over.
Go boys, we got Eric. Huh?
All right. They're jumping right here.
Oh, oh, biter! Yeah! Oh, the fucking Cuda, dude. Cuda on the A-rig.
Good luck with that one.
Right. Here we go, maybe. Oh! There he goes. Oh,
Good idea. I missed the cast.
Oh,
Help you out,
thank
buddy.
you.
Help you out.
There's a biter. Hey, pick it up, bro. Pick up another one.
Another what?
Another,
Oh, Calico?
No, another one of my earring.
No, I mean, I'm gonna see if I can do on this right now, but I might use the.
Right.
Is that thing heavy at all? Or no?
Really? He just spit out some bait. Oh, there's a biter. There's a fresh one.
Slimy thing.
Oh, look at that. Jumping Cudas.
I want to get one on my green one, but do you have anything different color?
Huh?
I wanted to get one on my green. Oh my gosh, you're gonna murder that thing.
Oh, now it's recording.
Well, there you just recorded that. Easy release.
Oh shit, that was recording the whole time?
Oh. I got hit already.
Alright, we're back. Had a safety issue there with all the slime. And there's another one.
I don't mind grabbing them, rather having my hands in. I got them right here next to the boat. I can probably just drop them on the side. Oh, they're right in front of the boat, dude. Big bluefin boiling up. Oh, there's one sitting down in my chair.
There's a biter.
Oh. What is it? I think it's a bass. No, it's probably.
They're in the fighter's chair.
I'm in the fighting chair. No, it's a bass. Oh yeah.
Oh, it would be nice if the camera could check it out. You know.
Another bass. Here we go. Not my big head, you mean?
You get that back angle. Please do not catch a bird.
Awesome. I think it's a little bass. Got one, fresh one. There's one for the followers.
There we go, fresh one on the big A rig.
Oh yeah, another fresh. Another nice little bass here.
Hey, that's the right kind too. Thank God. Oh, thank the Lord. What a slob. We ate two of them. Ate two.
Here we go.
I'll just wipe with that shit.
Hi.
Little kid.
Woo.
Hello.
That's one.
What's up, buddy?
ways out there too. You know what I did? I wiped my face and then the line started going out. I'm thinking barracuda on this one. Maybe a bass, I don't know. No, barracuda. No, bass. Here you go, Rob. Look at that one.
Never mind. Alarm. Sorry about that.
All right, we're back. Had a safety issue there with all the slime. And there's another one. Ah, fuck. I couldn't tell if that was a fucking pelican or if I was bit. No, don't. There we are. There we are. Oh, see, it got. What the fuck happened here? Oh my god, look at this. Look at that, guys. I caught a fucking. Look at. Look.
Oh, right through the bait ball.
Got a bait.
There we go, first one on the big A rig. Oh yeah, another
Hey, and that's the right kind, dude. And oh, thank the Lord. What a slob. He ate two of them. Ate two.
There we go.
Slice of that shit.
The fresh one! Fresh one! Oh shit!
Not the Calico. Thank God. Better one?
Some activity with birds here. I'm gonna go check it out. Follow me.
Oh. Woo.
Go, Rob. Look at that one.
Never mind. Alarm. Sorry about that.
There we go, first one!
Oh shit! Oh, look at that! Oh, come on, come on, come on!
God.
Hit it! I want the other one to hit it. Come on, hit it, guys!
You gotta get up there with that.
Well, I got hit. What?
Here, switch. You go up there.
Got that Cudas. Calico.
Yep, another one. There we go, the first one.
Alright, just put spoilers with it, bro.
Woo! That's cool.
Let's see if we get another one. Come on, get two on there. Come on, Troyer.
Cover right now. Cover. Right.
There we go. Pedro's push. Pedro's.
Uh-oh. What's this one in the belly? Look at that guy. Is that a good one? Look at that one. Oh. It's like your twin. Alright, I'm gonna let him go. There we should be jumping up some fish soon. Oh, look at that.
There you go.
I switched back to my old rig. Oh yeah. Single, dude. I'm just gonna go back to the, you know, Mike Shorter fishing, you know?
No, I'm already like in the double digits, bro.
Dude, I'm past double digits.
I mean, the triple digits.
Triple digits. You're like 100.
Go over there. Chipping away at 'em.
There we go. There you go, first one. Oh, it's a better one.
Yeah, well, maybe we're tired. Oh, that is good.
Yeah. That one. Yeah. go, first one! Oh, first one!
Oh, yeah, that's a good one. That's why. Like, man, that's fucking heavy. My fucking thumb is raw, bro. There you go. I don't want to cast. Another double. Oh, look at all the followers. Oh my god. Oh, holy shit, man. There you go. There you go. There's a four for. There's a four for, bro. Fucking Cedros Island shit, bro.
Come here, come here.
Oh my god.
I got him bit right now as we speak, ready? Okay.
Yes. So red. Oh, fuck.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
There we go. There they are. There's his friend. His friend's coming up after him. Oh, it's another full spool. Shit, awesome. Oh, you bring him in sideways. That's a good one.
Yeah, dude. Oh my god, that's probably a keeper about it.
Tons of marks on the bottom. Bet. Bet. Come on, baby. Load it up. Big wave. wave. Oh. Hey, you're doing fucking on the double rig. Oh.
I put on one of those broken ones.
Broken what?
Well, the ones that go through the colors.
Oh, just fucking put on a brand new fucking double rig. Oh, there you go, right at the boat. Double dunk. Oh, double dunking. Have to do a kind of fucking water swap. Ah. Back one!
Nail him?
Ah, there he goes. There it goes.
Oh my god.
There it goes. Oh, it's another twofer. It's another twofer, I think. No,
No, I got one.
There he goes. Whew. Oh, yeah, thank God.
Dude, out this.
My goodness, to get home.
Comes a charter boat, but I
Huh?
mean it'll be fun for the guy for people, but they're not going to be able to keep anything.
Where's the starter boat? Oh, there you go, the first one. Woo-hoo. Right one. Right at the boat. Whew.
Got you?
Yeah. Cookie cutters.
Even wait, you didn't even. Dude, I just realized I had a loose and I put my hat on and fish on. Oh, a little bass. Another Calico. Another Calico. Let go. Let go. Go on, let go. Here, I'm gonna put him in the water. There you go. There you go.
Come on, Troyer.
It's coming right now. It's coming. It's gonna be this is the right jig right here. It's one I've been getting everything on. So,
Huh?
this is it right here. There we go. Oh yeah. Fresh one here. Oh. I got you. The biggest one I've caught all day. Woo! I can put this one in my aquarium.
Oh, it is fucking loaded.
Fresh one!
There you go.
Oh, this one feels pretty good. Hopefully not barracuda, but.
There you go, fresh one. Oh, it's a better one.
This is a better one too.
Well, maybe just tired. Oh, that is a better one.
Yeah.
Whew.
Come here, buddy. Look at that one. Yeah.
There's that kelp right there. Towards that kelp. There we go.
Fresh one.
Calico, para que te deje nueve, ahorita voy por él. Ahorita voy a por él, hermano.
Another monster.
There we go, fresh one! Oh, fresh one!
This is too much fun. Oh, yeah, there's a little kelp right here, huh?
Huh?
We're not listening.
Oh, yeah, it's a double, that's why. Man, it's fucking heavy. Dude, my fucking thumb is raw, bro. There we go. Right at the boat. Oh. Look at that, right at the boat. These things are just kelp wheel there, but they're just eating anything now. Or oh, there's a kelp up there.
Yeah, we gotta be not let it fall too far.
Oh, there we go, there we go. Fresh one, there we go.
Hello.
Oh yeah, fresh kelp. Fresh
That's a
kelp.
better one.
Did any of you catch anything? In the Jolla?
I got my fish.
Huh?
I had that kelp, but I got the fish. Look there, buddy.
There you go. That's cute.
Look at the bait. I think that's it for this bait.
Oh yeah, that's done. Yeah,
This-
that's done.
They keep the weights, right? Where do you want this body at? You save them?
Yeah, just don't move. Ah, fresh one! Oh, fresh one! I think that was a Cudas. Unfortunately. Oh no, there's another one!
Oh my gosh.
I don't know, it's just
You can get out of the way of your camera here.
oh, fresh one! Oh, fresh one!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's another full spool. Shit. Oh, this one's. Oh, they bring him in sideways. That's one. That's a good one.
Yeah, it is. Oh my god, that's probably a keeper, but we don't want to keep him. But
Shit, I need where's the pliers? Where's the fuck did I do with the pliers?
shit. Oh, look at that one. Look at that one, dude.
Oh my god.
Look at that jumbo. Holy shit.
Is that thing kind of heavy or no?
Huh?
Is that thing heavy at all?
Like,
Like heavy enough to cast with this rod?
Boy, I don't got another. Yeah, boy. Yeah, whop around there. Yeah. Oh. Oh, fucking. There's Bruno. Bruno right there. Fuck. No, the other rigs are smaller.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, they're all over, bro. They're busting all over. Oh, look at all the bait right here. Getting followed by. Bah, bah, bah. There we go. There goes another one on there. Oh, look at all the bait. Look at all the bait right here. Look at it all getting chased. Check that out. Oh, dude. I got the, oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Dude.
Oh my god, this is fucking crazy, dude. Fucking epic. Oh, there we go. Cedros, boys. Cedros. Oh. Oh, fuck.
Oh. Put this one in the belly. Look at that guy. Pretty good one.
Definitely better ones. Definitely better ones.
Look at that one. Oh,
Huh. Hold on.
it's like your twin. Alright, I'm gonna let it go.
He did get domed.
Huh?
I said because this other spur hook went through his fucking, like his brain. He got domed like he just did. He didn't make it, guys. Sorry. Oh, there we go. There's the first one.
Paquetas?
Alright.
No, mijo, ¿cuánto tiempo le falta ahí?
Look, and he hits the hub.
Ah,
He
es
hit the
el
hook
coral
up
que
bait.
falta, carnalito.
Funny.
Es el coral que faltaba, por decir si dedicaban al otro. Pero bueno, ahorita hablamos ahí con Marco a ver qué rollo. Sí, ahora que adelante Marco Darte y Sayana.
Still wide open.
Bueno, y hacemos, me dice el de la rata de la ACA, bien.
Oh, there you go. There we go. There's one.
Ahora
Ah, the Cudas was hit it.
Puta, ya vengo. Quédate, espera.
Yeah, they hit the hub again, dude. That's fucking crazy. Better one.
Ya está, aquí le voy a esperar. Ya está, Marco.
Right here. There you go.
That's one.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Cudas.
Oh, good. I'm glad you got it.
Alright, now we can go.
Alright guys, last one. Last one, a fucking epic day. Epic day. Whoa. My hands are raw. Everybody out here is fucking tearing it up today. Next trip to Bahia is gonna be in September, like 15th, whatever. I'm headed down to Loreto in a couple days, so hopefully I can get some rooster fish from shore again. Hopefully some little ones. I don't know. We'll see what's up. I'm gonna try though. And that's about it. But oh, big shout out to my mans.
Oh,
Big Mike.
Good times.
Fucked him up. He
Killing
had me scared at the beginning. I was like, oh God, how come I can't catch one? Yeah, anyways.
Right on.
Fresh one. Let's go.